Welcome back to Learn English with Podcast. Today we're talking about something very interesting, habits that can silently affect how attractive you look and feel. You might think beauty is all about your face, right? But actually, it's often the small daily things you do that make a big difference.
Exactly, Maria. And what's even more fascinating is that these habits aren't always obvious. Things like how well you sleep, how you hold yourself, or even how you think about yourself can change the way people see you.
Right. And the best part is, these aren't complicated rules. They are simple habits you can start improving today. Little changes can have a huge impact over time. For example, getting better sleep doesn't just help your energy, it also helps your skin glow.
And posture is another one people often forget. You can wear the nicest outfit, but if you're slouching, it can make you seem less confident. Even small adjustments, like standing tall or keeping your phone at eye level, can make a big difference.
So, in today's episode, we'll share 5 key habits that silently affect your attractiveness. We'll also explain them in simple English so you can understand and use the words naturally. By the end, you'll have practical tips to glow not just on the outside, but on the inside too. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most important habits, sleep. You might think skincare or makeup is the key to looking fresh, but honestly, nothing replaces good sleep. When you don't sleep enough, your eyes look tired, your face can get puffy, and your skin starts aging faster. Even your mood feels off, which people notice more than you think.
Absolutely, Maria. And here's the tricky part: when poor sleep becomes normal, you stop noticing it. You wake up tired every day and think it's just life, but really, your glow is slowly disappearing. A simple change in your sleep routine can completely transform how you look and feel.
That's right. For example, giving yourself a digital cutoff at night can help. Turn off your phone and laptop 1 to 2 hours before bed. Avoid scrolling, overthinking, or watching stimulating shows. Just let your body rest. Even a small routine like reading a book or listening to calming music can make a big difference.
And it's not just about looking good. Sleep affects energy, focus, and confidence too. When you start sleeping better, you naturally carry yourself differently. You smile more, your posture improves, and people notice your positive energy. It's like a natural beauty treatment, no expensive products needed.
So, the takeaway here is simple. Prioritize sleep like your glow depends on it, because it really does. Make a bedtime routine, limit screens, and give your body the rest it deserves. Over time, you'll not only look refreshed, but you'll feel more vibrant, confident, and ready to take on the day. Now, let's talk about posture. You might not realize it, but the way you carry yourself communicates more than words ever could. Slouching, hunching your shoulders, or keeping your chest closed can make you look insecure, tired, or even older than you are.
Exactly, Maria. And the challenge is, bad posture often develops slowly. Long hours on phones or laptops pull your shoulders forward without you noticing. After a while, slouching can feel like your normal position, and it silently affects how people perceive you.
But the good news is, small adjustments can make a huge difference. For example, try keeping your phone at eye level instead of bending your head down. Even standing tall for just a few minutes each hour can retrain your body. These little changes instantly make you appear more confident and energetic.
And it's not just about appearances. Good posture affects your mood, your energy, and even your breathing. When you stand or sit upright, you feel more alert, present, and approachable. People notice it right away, even before you speak. It's like your body is speaking for you.
So, the key takeaway is simple: posture matters. Work on keeping your shoulders back, chest open, and spine straight. Even small daily efforts will transform not only how others see you but also how you feel about yourself. Confidence truly starts with how you carry your body. Let's move on to another simple but powerful habit: hydration. Drinking enough water isn't just about staying healthy, it has a huge effect on your skin, lips, and even your energy. When you're dehydrated, your skin can look dry, your lips crack, and your eyes lose their sparkle.
Exactly, Maria. And the tricky part is, dehydration happens slowly, so you might not notice it until your face suddenly looks dull. Even if you use the best skincare products, if your body isn't hydrated, your natural glow suffers.
So what's the solution? Start your day with a full glass of water, and try to keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day. You can also include hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables. They help your body stay refreshed from the inside out.
And hydration affects more than just your looks. It impacts your energy, focus, and mood too. When you drink enough water, you feel more alert, your brain works better, and you naturally carry yourself with more confidence. It's amazing how such a small habit can make a big difference.
The takeaway is simple: drink water consistently, and your body and your appearance will thank you. Hydration shows on your face, in your energy, and even in how confident you feel. So, if you want to look fresh, radiant, and ready for the day, start with water. It's one of the easiest ways to shine naturally. Now, let's talk about something that affects not just how you look, but also how you feel: your mental space. Constant negativity and endless scrolling on social media can silently drain your energy and make you look tired or distracted, even if you're naturally good-looking.
That's true, Maria. When people spend too much time online, it affects their attention, posture, and emotional responses in real life. Your eyes get tired, your facial muscles lose energy, and your expressions can seem flat. You might even notice that people feel less engaged when they're around you.
And it's not just social media. Negative self-talk has a similar effect. If you constantly criticize yourself or focus on your flaws, it shows in your posture, tone, and expressions. Confidence disappears, and people can sense insecurity. Even a beautiful smile can lose its charm if it's clouded by negative energy.
So, what can we do? First, create scroll-free zones, no phones in bed, during meals, or right after waking up. This helps your mind reset and gives your body a chance to relax. Second, replace negative self-talk with positive or neutral thoughts. For example, instead of thinking, "I look awful today," try, "I'm improving every day." Little shifts like this slowly change your energy and glow from the inside out.
The key takeaway here is that your mental space matters just as much as your physical habits. Limit constant scrolling and be kind to yourself mentally. When your mind feels calm and balanced, it shows in your energy, your expressions, and even the way people perceive you. Taking care of your mental space is like giving your inner glow room to shine. Finally, let's talk about emotional energy. You can have the best style, the brightest smile, or the most attractive face, but if your energy is negative, it can silently make you less appealing. Complaining, gossiping, or constantly focusing on problems drains both you and the people around you.
Absolutely, Maria. Emotional energy is like a magnet. People are naturally drawn to those who stay calm, positive, and solution-focused. On the other hand, constant negativity pushes people away. It's amazing how much a simple shift in attitude can change how others perceive you.
One simple rule is this: before complaining, ask yourself, can I fix this? If yes, take action. If not, accept it and move on. This habit keeps you from dwelling on things you can't control and helps you maintain a balanced, confident energy that people find attractive.
And it's not just about others. When you focus on solutions instead of problems, you feel lighter, more confident, and more in control. Even your posture and expressions change naturally. People notice when someone carries themselves with calm, positive energy. It's far more magnetic than any physical feature.
So, the key takeaway is simple: protect your emotional energy. Stop complaining about what you can't change, focus on what you can, and stay positive. Your inner balance will reflect on the outside, making you more attractive, confident, and enjoyable to be around. Remember, emotional glow is just as important as physical glow. It's what really makes you shine. We've covered a lot today: 5 key habits that silently affect your attractiveness and energy. Sleep, posture, hydration, mental space, and emotional energy all play a huge role in how you look and feel. The best part is, these aren't complicated habits. Small daily changes can make a big difference over time.
Exactly, Maria. Even if you start with just 2 or 3 of these habits, you'll notice a change. Better sleep gives your face a natural glow. Good posture communicates confidence. Hydration refreshes your skin and energy. Mindful mental habits calm your mind. And focusing on positive emotional energy makes you magnetic. It all adds up.
So here's the takeaway for our listeners: start with small steps today. Pick one habit, practice it consistently, and gradually add the others. Remember, attractiveness isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel and how your energy makes others feel. Take care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally, and your inner glow will naturally shine through. You've got this.